Something to be said for making your own wontons. And I'm feeling like a little pork and shrimp combo. And we're going to make some wontons together. So this is one bag of 16 by 20 shrimp, peeled, deveined, and blended. I just literally put them in the food processor so that they could get mushy. This is 1 pound ground pork, actually, because it is unseasoned. Tablespoon of cornstarch, half a bunch of cilantro chopped up, 1 yellow onion, small diced, 1 can of diced water chestnuts. I like the crunch that gives. Teaspoon of MSG, 1 egg. I have 3 cloves of garlic that we are going to grate in. You can season it however you like. I like to usually use a little bit of soy and hoisin, and I also taste my filling before we fill them by putting a little bit on a plate and popping in the microwave. And we're adding in a 1/4 cup of hoisin, fresh ground black pepper, a bit of sea salt, put a splash of soy in. And now we mix the filling together. Perfect. So the twin dragons are my favorite. I've worked with a lot of different wonton skins or wonton wrappers. So what you want to do is I keep them in the pack so I can keep them covered so they don't dry out too fast. Cup of water. Wet the whole wonton wrapper. Take your filling. Plop it in the middle. And then you're going to use your finger to seal. Now, wontons, in my personal opinion, are a labor of love, but you too can do this. It's very easy. And you can fill your wonton wrappers with anything. For New Year's, I did crab and cream cheese. Play on the wonton crab rangoons. So we take dumplings, water, salted, dropping these in, and then I'm gonna warm up a little bit of sauce. But these probably need around 3 minutes in here. When they float to the top, you know they're done. Out of the water, I just put them on a sheet pan now to cool while we plate them up and get our sauce. Slide them right in. And then we made, I call it this like chili oil yum yum sauce. And we're pouring it right over. Oh, yes, please. See, this is why I love these. Because the sauce like fits inside the little pocket. Oh my God.